Hi, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Cameron.
Oh my gosh.
哇，
泉水鲤鱼的糖醋做法，也称为鲤鱼泡龙梅。现在为大家呈现的是经典鲁菜爆炒腰花、奶汤铺菜。
Oh my god. You can
Crispy.
taste the garlic and the vinegar in it.
super tender.
It's so crispy, you could keep eating it forever.
It's cut, makes it so it's like just falls apart in your mouth.
I would definitely recommend trying kidney. These mushrooms, they have like a chewy texture, a little bit crunchy, and they pair really, really nicely. So good.
鲁菜吧，就是说源远流长，这些鲁菜的它讲究刀工，选料比较讲究，食材呢比较广泛，论我们食材，制作出更美味的佳肴。
The noodles are super crunchy.
Yeah.
It gives a great texture.
The biryani is really good. Sweet.
Everything in it is just so fresh. So good. You guys have to meet all of my new friends. Ganbei!